Today I am going to cover how to use bulk actions and search for crawled uploaded links in Conversation AI. Go to GOHIGHLEVEL sub account. Just click Settings. Then click Conversation AI. It will go to Conversation AI page. By default, bot settings tab will be open. Then just go to bot training. In the enter domain search box, just select type of the URL. Here I am selecting exact URL and fill the text box and click get data. Here I am typing some sample URL and click get data. Then it will fetch the page and it will be added in the uploaded links. Now you can see the Amazon link here. Here you can see action column. If you click any of the records under this column, it will start get data. Once it is done, then the status will be changed to trained. Now it is changed to trained. If you search something in the search box, it will display search result. For example, I am searching Yahoo. It will show only Yahoo link. So I remove, it will show all the links. If you select all the records, then there will be a drop-down box which will show refresh and delete option. This is the bulk option. If you click refresh, all the selected records will be refreshed. It will fetch data. Then the bot will be trained. Now it is getting data. Now all the data is refreshed. Now it is in the trained status. If you click delete, all the record will be deleted. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.